my vlog, and this is me, Natalie, and
Me, Maria Evelyn.
so, ngayon wala kaming pasok, so ang gagawin namin ay facts about us. So, wag na natin patagalin pa, simulan natin. Sige! Ikaw muna?
Pag-anan.
Ako muna. So, my name is Natalie Gail M. Suganov, and I'm 12 years old, and taga ng Parasan ako. So, dito ako cut. So, I'm grade 5 pa lang kasi pumunta kami sa Manila. So, my favorite color is yellow, and my favorite food is sinigang, and my favorite fruit is no. Cut. Banana.
You didn't have to cut me off.
Banana. So, patalastas muna. So, my favorite fruit is banana, hindi banani.
Okay.
So,
Ako nga pala si Maria Evelyn. Ikaw to. Basta na bilye doon na yung nalintan. I'm 10 years old.
10!
Yeah. 10 years old pa lang. I'm grade 6 pupil. My favorite color is pink.
Pink.
My favorite food is loading. Ano ba ito? Wait lang, cut lang. Adobo pala. Naglo-loading lang ako dahil hindi ko maisip. So guys, bye.
So guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my videos. Bye!
Bye!